Good morning. Welcome to GS Nexus Current Affairs series. In today's session, we'll discuss on BharatPol, India's new crime-fighting digital platform. Beginning with the context of the news, the Union Home Minister recently launched a new portal called BharatPol, created by the Central Bureau of Investigation. This portal is designed to help catch criminals who flee abroad and improve cooperation between Indian authorities and international law enforcement similar to the Interpol system. With the help of BharatPol, police will be able to connect itself with Interpol very easily and speed up the investigation. The portal's primary objective is to help law enforcement agencies across India swiftly address crimes that cross national borders, facilitating real-time access to critical international crime-fighting resources. India's new criminal law, which includes the provision of trials in abstention, will help ensure that criminals fleeing abroad are tried in Indian courts. Once convicted, it will be easier for authorities to seek their deportation or extradition. The BharatPol portal will allow police forces from states, union territories, and central agencies to quickly and efficiently send requests to Interpol for information or fugitives hiding abroad or any other relevant matters. The need for such a platform was highlighted by the increasing prevalence of transnational crimes such as cybercrime, financial fraud, online radicalization, drug trafficking, human trafficking, and organized crime. The portal will be a significant asset for India's law enforcement agencies, providing real-time international assistance to help them respond swiftly to criminal activities. One of the key features of the BharatPol portal is its ability to improve communication between various law enforcement agencies in India and their international counterparts. Traditionally, communication between the CBI, Interpol liaison officers, and unit officers has relied on letters, emails, and faxes, leading to delays in the process. BharatPol addresses these inefficiencies by bringing all stakeholders onto a single digital platform, streamlining the process of sending and receiving requests for international assistance, including the issuance of red notices and other Interpol notices. Now, let's know about Interpol. The International Criminal Police Organization is an international police organization that facilitates cooperation between criminal police forces in its 196 member countries. Interpol was formed on September 7, 1923, and its headquarters is in Lyon, France. Now, let's have a look on law and order in the country. First, police and public order are state subjects under the 7th schedule to the Constitution of India. Second, the National Crime Record Bureau, a nodal agency under the Ministry of Home Affairs, is engaged in the process of collecting, compiling, and analyzing the crime statistics with a view to help the states to evolve appropriate strategies for better prevention and control of crime. Third, enforcing law is an important function of the government to maintain internal security of the country. The Ministry of Home Affairs ensures the internal security through various organizations. That's all for today. For more such videos, stay tuned to GS Nexus.